first half. Imagine that. So ang daming agaw po, points off.
That's 16 turnovers. That's huge for the DLSU.
Really trying, but now, pumapasok na.
Ayan, shoutout yun niya, mga taga-Agusan.
Yes, kila pare.
Abadam, binigay dito kay Michael Phillips. Good defense by Datu. It was almost a slam. There comes basket cap. Transition for Lasal.
Uh-oh! Aman. Grabe to siya, no? Austria really not backing down.
Another steal. Yun, Matt Rubico misses that shot.
Dalawang isip siya. Let's see Big Bo sa baba.
2 more. Oh, Mo Belga will stop that momentum.
Mentioned this in the first half, no? Ano pa pwede gagawin ng De La Salle? Make Big Bo.
2 3-point shot. Tungo and Kiambao.
Oh!
Easy. Boris Marasigan. Phillips almost.
Hindi pa tapos yung laban. Hindi pa tapos yung laro.
Yes, Gian Mamuyak attacking. Keep Datu. Here comes in terms of basketball. Rubico shouting defense. Kuya John Nard yan eh.
Oh, kumagat eh.
Yes, even in his free throws,
true.
right? Boris Marasigan. Yes, sir. There you go. Kuya Jonard masking up. Sabi ko pagtanaw. Now, CJ Guliena this time.
You have Boss Roy Villaflor, Adam Singh, Mamu.
So, being hassled by Ramiro. Grabe. Kinataw. Stare down. Cortez. Cortez R. Kasi meron na ding Cortez in the next.
Paunin nila papunta sa UAAP season.
Yep, that's right. Gabe Norwood tries the teammate. Another zoom play. Ramiro on the corner fires. There you. And there comes Gabe Norwood drives to keep Datu. Wow. Any shots in the fourth quarter? Ramiro wants to use series of screen.
Ganda. So ni Coach Topex dito. Just cut down the lead. Dahan-dahan ninyo.
Yeah. So Mason Amos this time. Not quite, but
good put things down.
Sumundot, patay. Dito yun yung mga misses that shot. Another putback. They gave it to Boris Marasigan. He fakes the handoff attack. Buenaventura. They dump it inside to Mason Amos. Pasok. So, I'm pretty sure both teams here. Here comes Fuller this time.
Ganda.
And Gambao on the corner for Andre Garakot. Fuller once again.
Grabe, muscling his way
to Abadam. Abadam spins. Wow! Here comes Fuller. There we go. Fuller again. And then now, here we go. Last 2 minutes. Almost, but step back, jumper, pasok. We have 2 seconds. Mamuyak, 3 of basketball. The brand of basketball that we have in UAE
game against De La Salle University.
Yep, that's right. It's good to see. Surprisingly, this time it's free admission. Dati we only get college teams.
Good game. Yeah, congratulations to Raynor side. Excellent basketball pinakita ninyo.
Rock solid performance